Bore Sul diwethaf heidiodd beicwyr o bob oed i fai colwyn. A hynny ar gyfer Pencampwriaeth Traws Seiclo Cymru.
Pencampwriaeth Traws Seiclo Cymru sy'n yma heddiw, har Ceirias. Mae'r digwyddiad yma wedi digwydd diolch i Chris Hopkins o Clwb Beicio Stephen Conwy a criw ohonyn nhw lle gweithio fe gilydd ag diolch yn fawr i cyngor Conwy ag B2B yr noddwyr lle. Mae wedi bod yn fwrw dipyn ag lot o dir calad, felly mae'n fwdlyd ofnadwy ag mae'n ofnadwy galad. Dwi'n falch bod fi'n wneud o.
Cytuno'n llwyr, felly'r plant oedd y cyntaf i fentro i'r mwd gyda'r bechgyn a'r mercher cystadlu mewn rhasys dan 8, dan 10 a dan 12. Roedd y glawd trwm wedi gadael i farc ac roedd y trac yn drwm, yn llithrig ac yn heriol i'r beicwyr ifanc. Ffyn Davies o Cyclo ddaeth yn fuddigol yn ras y bechgyn dan 8. Gyda Jessica Bufton o Glwb Hafren yn ennill ras y merched. Alfie Davies ac Anwen Nesham oedd y pencampwyr dan 10, a Griff Lewis a Zoe Baxted yn ennill dan 12. Roedd y raswyr dan 16 ac 14 yn dechrau dau gilydd. Y trac wedi ymestyn, y lapiau wedi cynyddu a'r tir yn lypach ac yn drymach i brofi'r athletwyr ifanc.
It's certainly muddy, pretty much what we expected. Always muddy at Aries Park when we come and race here. But that is cyclocross. You watch it on the TV in Belgium and Holland, and they're waist deep in mud virtually. So it's pretty much average cyclocross weather. It's 30 years about since the cyclocross champs for Wales have been held up here. So we're really pleased to get them up here. There's quite a growing scene of cyclocross of getting the kids involved and adults. It's a tough endurance sport. It's really hard work. You wouldn't think just cycling around a park for 40 minutes was hard, but you cycle in this mud and across the grass. It's a real effort. It's non-stop. That's the thing. You can't take your feet. You can't stop pedalling at all. You're always pedalling, so it's hard.
Craig Rogers a Nicole Clark oedd y ddau enillydd dan 16, y ddau o glwb Penbedw.
It was a tough course with the thick mud. It was quite hard going, so yeah, certainly a tougher one today than usual.
It was very muddy. It's not one of the muddiest I've done, but it was quite hard, yeah.
Fydda fi'n fwy tebyg i fath mwd na cwrs seiclo, ond o fi wedi mwynhau.
Nesa ar y cwrs y ras dan 19, y ras dros 20 a ras y merched, i gyd yn dechrau dau gilydd.
Well, I'm going to ride round. I don't know if I'm going to race, that's for sure. It will be a gentle poodle, but yeah, having gone through the effort of setting up, I'm looking forward to a bit of a ride. If I do fall off, at least it's muddy and it's soft, so it should be good. I'm looking forward to that bit there when I cross the line. That's what I'm really looking forward to in about 40 minutes.
Darna lle ar I fyny lle maen nhw'n gorfod dod ar y beic ag rhedag fyny, cerad fyny ag wrth gwrs mewn lithrig. Mae'r beics wedyn yn mynd y fwdlyd a maen nhw'n gorfod newid y beic bob lap. Maen nhw'n brysur iawn yn y pit, so maen nhw'n gallu llnau o dŵr a felly. Pan chi'n neud o, chi'n meddwl pam dwi'n neud hyn, ond wedyn mae rhywun yn teimlo dda allu di wneud rhywbeth da, di gweithio'n galad a mae'n hwyl, mae'n siŵr, mewn rhyw ffordd rhyfedd iawn.
Y cyntaf dros y linell oedd Andrew Parry, enillydd ras y vet.
Very happy to win today, yeah. It's my first win as a vet. Yes, extremely pleased with that. It was very muddy out there today, very hard going, just a slog, just nowhere to rest, but I enjoyed it, yeah, except for the last lap.
Joe Barnwell o dîm Marsh Tracks oedd yr enillydd dan 19.
Oh, it was drying as the race went on, so it started off a bit sloppy, but by the end it was really hard going and couldn't come soon enough, really.
Ac yn fuan ar ôl i Joe groes i'r linell, daeth ei fam, Sarah Barnwell, i gipio Pencampwriaeth y merched.
Yeah, it was a really tough race. Actually, Janet should have had it. Janet was ahead of me most of the time, but she had a problem with her bike, so I just got her at the end, right at the end. So
I should have ridden the bike before I rode this race on it, and the chain just kept coming off. Otherwise, it was really hard. Mud was horrible. It was like, I can't really describe what it was like you were knee deep in mud. You might as well just run the laps, really. You'd probably gone faster. But it was good fun. It's a great course. Really enjoyable.
muddy, slippy, wet. Yeah, no, it's a really good course though. Excellent course here.
Ras ola'r dydd felly oedd ras y dynion, ac o'r chwiban gynta ath na ddau yn syth i'r brig. Dylan Cyffwt Robson o Clwb Mountain Tracks a Stephen Roach o Clwb Rally GAC. Roedd hi'n dyn iawn rhwng y ddau ar y brig a'r amodau wedi gweithygu wrth gwrs erbyn diwedd y prynhawn. Ond ar ôl dim ond hanner lap, roedd pencampwr y llynedd Stephen Roach wedi agor bwlch sylweddol i adael gweddill y pac yn bell ar ei ôl. Wedi awr o rasio caled, roedd Stephen Roach yn hynod falch o weld y llinell derfyn yn agosau, ond yn falchach byth o gipio Pencampwriaeth y dynion am yr ail flwyddyn yn olynol.
It was hard going. It's a very testing course, like with the conditions. I think all the rain in the week has obviously showed here. But yeah, it was a good course, good venue and all. It's just a shame about all the rain in the week. Conditions like that, you could always have a mechanical and you've got to run to the pit, so it's never easy, and you never know you've got it until you're coming down the final straight.
Ac yn ail y bachgen lleol, Dylan Cyffwt Robson.
I'm mainly a mountain biker, you see. I just did this race because that's actually my old school, so it's in the playing field. So just thought kind of had to do it. But yeah, I've ridden against him. Last season I had quite a big cross season. We were similar-ish. He'd probably got the better of me on more occasions than I did of him.
Yeah, I think that went pretty well. We had nearly 100 riders out from under 8s all the way up to the veterans. Lots of women riding as well, so I think everyone's enjoyed it. Bit muddy, but of course it's stood up quite well. So yeah, really pleased with where it's gone. It's been great.